Everything has gone to plan. Now, should we steal the carcass? I got the baby, so yeah. Then we can feed it. Let's go. Okay. Come on. Oh, finally, here. Ugh, get off me, puppy. Oh, I went deep. Cave. Too far in the cave. Okay. What's that? Come here. I'll put the puppy over here. Bite's dead. Whatever that is related to him. Grandfather. Oh. And then he wakes up, he'll see terrifying things, and then he'll be scared of us. And then their parents have a reason to come. Perfect idea. Alright. Carcass can be here. Here, we'll put it in here. So when it does wake up, it at least can get some food so we don't kill it to death. But remember, we still have to kill it, but we have to keep it alive until the parents get here. Right. Good point. Yeah. Should we eat a little bit? We can eat a little bit. Oh, that's gross. What, if you never tasted zebra? I don't think so. I think it's good. Anyway, you're gonna have to go hunt something. I have that. I have this. I killed this baby giraffe. I can eat this. Whatever. Here, can I share and save this for the baby? How about we save this for the baby? And then we eat this. No, I'll eat this. No, yeah. Dang, make up your mind. After eating. That's good. Alright. Okay. It's almost gone. We'll just keep it there. Now I wait for the baby to wake up. Where am I? Where am I? Granddad, is that you? Granddad? Granddad? Where am I? Granddad? No, Granddad. Granddad, no. I barely knew you. What are you? Finally awake. Please don't hurt me. We won't hurt you yet. We saved this for you. I guess you're a little nice. Is this? Ew, I don't like this. Well, you're gonna have to eat it because we at least were nice enough to get some. So eat it. If you're that hungry, you're gonna eat it. But I don't like giraffe. Can I have some of that zebra over there? Do you think we should let him have zebra? No, he gets to eat what he eats. Don't let him have zebra. Come on. Fine. Fine, you can have zebra. I don't think this is bad myself, but whatever. Okay, thank you. Are you gonna hurt me? Not until we lure your parents here and kill them, then we'll kill you. Anyway, eat up. Okay. Time to wake up, not Howard. Time to wake up, buddy. Okay, time to wake up, buddy. Come on, get yourself out of the blankets. I know you want to stay asleep. Come on, unwrap yourself from the blanket. He's not in there. Jenna, where is Buddy? I don't know, we need to find him now. Lucky for you, I am a bloodhound dog. You're a bloodhound? Yes, I'm a bloodhound, and bloodhounds are very good sniffers, so maybe I can find the trace. I smell... Oh no. Buddy's probably dead. Why? What is it? I smell a cat, and that same cat that I smell that's like hours old, very long time, and that cat attacked me before. What? Yes, that same cat. Me and Buddy were sitting there as soon as you left because you were mad that I was a dog and didn't tell you. And you're sitting there, and then this cat jumped on us, and we got out by the littlest slip, and we got out and ran. And then we forgot about that, and we never told anybody, but it happened, and that's the same cat that has Buddy. Oh no, we gotta run. Can you trace the tail? Yes, I can. Come on, it's over here. There's 2 cats. And there's Buddy. We gotta go get him. Hey, cat. Give us our puppy back. Oh, why should we do that? Mom, Dad! Shut your little trout. You. Give us our pup back. I don't think so. You're not getting that little thing. It's ours. Shut up. Give us our puppy. What do you want against us? We already have a whole load killed back there. Wait, Dad? Can I at least go see my dad? Yes, but I will walk you there. Simba? Yeah? Take care of this one. All right. Leave my meat alone. Get back there, puppy. I got this one. Got this one. Shut your little trout. Come with me. Ugh. Ugh. Mom, Dad. Ugh. You're getting far back there, puppy. Same with you. And you. Now we're all back there. You guard here, Simba. Okay. Guard. One guard. I'm gonna go check on them. Make sure that what they want to do. Ugh. Buddy, we're going to get through this, no matter what we have to do. I want to see my father. Stay there, little puppy dog. I am. Dad, I'm so cruel to you. I miss you, Dad. I miss you so much, Dad. Mommy? Mommy? Yes. I'm gonna get through this, buddy. They're gonna kill you. We're staying guards in this place and none of you are getting out. No. Father. Why is there a Cheeto bag here? I ate Cheetos. Whatever. We will get through this, my little pack. We will get through.